Good morning everybody, thank you very much for coming and visiting us here at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre in Swindon. We've got a permanent stand here from PBT Installations, and today we would like to show you the JAGA radiators that we supply with our heat pumps. These devices here are designed to heat and cool your house. What we have got is we have fans on top of the radiators that circulate either hot or cold water, which is provided by the heat pumps. Just to show you a little bit more, we've attached these to show you that there's air movement, and that's what this whole device is designed for. If I take this apart and show you what's underneath, we have got small computer-like fans that are running underneath that will move the air and distribute the hot or cold air that is supplied to these devices. They can be on your wall, just like this device, this unit here, obviously without the screen, or they could also be built into your wall. Right, so come and have a look at what this unit is. We have got fans, actual fans, that move the air, okay? What they do is, as the air comes in at the bottom of the radiator, and we're distributing hot water or cold water through it, depending on the time of the year, the air moves through, the fans just increase the speed of the air moving through the radiator, which can actually give you that cooling effect that you wouldn't be getting from a normal radiator. Our pipes are connected on the other side with a radiator valve, just like normal, and we've got copper pipes running through with the aluminium fins. And it's not a steel panel radiator. It moves, it's more efficient, it's quicker, it can do the heating and the cooling. They are connected to 24-volt electricity supply. We can hide a plug with a transformer within the boxes, within the unit, so nothing is visible. The connection to the pipework is again hidden behind the cover. So when the cover is on, you will not see anything. These can be colored whatever color you want. Outputs from these can vary from very little to extremely large. We can fit multiple ones, and they can also fit inside walls, so you don't have to even see them. If you find that this is not what you desire, we can come with a different solution. When we provide you with an MCS approved heating design, we will use that heating design per room by room, to give you the right size radiator that will provide you with the right amount of heating and the right amount of cooling within each room. This can also fit in with your home automation. They can be controlled locally or centrally, depending on how you're setting up your house. So we've got red for heating, we've got blue for cooling, and we've got pink for ambient. We can increase or decrease the output of the fans, slow them down, speed them up, get you the right amount of heating output, input at the right time of the year. Right, cameraman, come and have a look at this. You might actually think these are really noisy, but actually they're really quiet. They can be turned down to make sure that you won't hear them. So they can easily fit into your bedroom, and you can still sleep and be cool at the same time, or hot, depending on the time of the year. Our stand is here. You can visit it 6 days a week throughout the year, and if you wanted an ecological and efficient design for heating with a heat pump, we're here to help you and design it for you.